What comes to your mind when you think of your honeymoon night?
Some pretty place, but like not bad sex at least.
Yeah.
That's the first thing that comes to my mind naturally.
I think I'm an old soul, so I'll have a glass of milk and just. I'll
You want to follow the customs.
I'll prepare my sack and just go all boom, 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 boom. Go down the band.
What comes to your mind when you think of your honeymoon night?
Ooh, hot sex.
Beautiful place, a nice bed with roses.
I don't know why, but I think of milk.
Sex. Same. Fun. I feel sex. So basically, that comes to my mind first.
What about sex?
Not done it, but should be exciting.
Yeah.
Otherwise, my expectations are definitely going to be very, very disappointed.
Who should make the first move, the boy or the girl?
I think I'd be the one who'd be jumping on him.
I think the girl should start.
I feel the boys.
If the girl is me, then probably me. If the girl is someone else, depends on her comfort.
Anybody can take, but then it's fine if girls take the move, the first move.
So suppose if you're taking the first move, what would your first move be?
I'll give him milk.
I'll probably dim the lights, because if he kind of sees what crazy stuff I'm doing, he might just walk off.
From where should the girl start?
Probably like seducing the guy, because it's always better for a girl to start.
You know, like taking against the wall straight and then straight on the bed. Something like that.
All these things you have planned. You will be doing it.
Yeah, I don't mind doing it. What's there?
How important is sex on the honeymoon night?
It's as important as having mayonnaise with burger.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. You can do it anytime.
Yeah.
Like you have food. Okay, that was good. I think honeymoon is known for sex. So I feel it is very important, Yeah, so I think when it will be about honeymoon, I think we both will be quite excited about it. And even if the mood is it'll be pretty sure that when it comes to that moment, it'll be on turned on and then just straight up each other. The mood for a while and just him. I'll him. He'll be f***ing me, but yeah.
What if your partner is already experienced?
Better for me, right? If he's experienced, that's good for me, because more pleasure for me. I mean, practice makes man perfect, so yeah. Good practicing. Woohoo. Good, go for it.
Even if it's his first time, but if he's good at it, then fine.
Do you expect your partner to be experienced, or he should be doing it with you for the first time?
Experienced.
Experienced?
Yes.
He'll be better, nah, so I won't have to do the whole whatever we're doing on the first night. So yeah, he should be experienced.
This time, I don't think I'll find a virgin.
It's okay. So when it's a first timer, he won't really know how to do it, and then that will be a mood spoiler mostly. And if he's experienced, then he would know how to f*** me properly. Like, that'll be nice, right? Oh. I wouldn't give a f*** because he's married to me. Right. And then he'll be only fucking me, and then yeah, okay.
What is your fantasy destination of your honeymoon?
For me, it would be Switzerland.
Paris or Hawaii. I think Bali. Bora Bora.
I think I'll have sex in Malad, dude. I don't need visa to get there. It's just another country in Bombay, like Malad.